I hear the rain. I hear the rain. I look out the window. I look out the window. I watch the raindrops. I watch the raindrops. I touch the cold glass. I touch the cold glass. I notice the gray clouds. I notice the gray clouds. I feel a little chilly. I feel a little chilly. I close the window. I close the window. I lock the latch. I lock the latch. I draw the curtains. I draw the curtains. I turn on the lamp. I turn on the lamp. I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen. I fill the kettle. I fill the kettle. I boil the water. I boil the water. I choose a tea bag. I choose a tea bag. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea. I pour the hot water. I pour the hot water. I stir the tea. I stir the tea. I add some honey. I add some honey. I smell the warm tea. I smell the warm tea. I sip the tea slowly. I sip the tea slowly. I warm my hands. I warm my hands. I find a soft blanket. I find a soft blanket. I grab the cozy blanket. I grab the cozy blanket. I shake out the blanket. I shake out the blanket. I wrap myself up. I wrap myself up. I sit on the couch. I sit on the couch. I snuggle a pillow. I snuggle a pillow. I pick up a book. I pick up a book. I open the book. I open the book. I read a nice story. I read a nice story. I turn the page. I turn the page. I giggle at the book. I giggle at the book. I daydream a little. I daydream a little. I close the book. I close the book. I reach for the remote. I reach for the remote. I pick a fun movie. I pick a fun movie. I watch a cozy movie. I watch a cozy movie. I laugh at a scene. I laugh at a scene. I munch a little snack. I munch a little snack. I nibble a cookie. I nibble a cookie. I pause the movie. I pause the movie. I yawn softly. I yawn softly. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I lie down on the couch. I lie down on the couch. I hug the pillow. I hug the pillow. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I take a little nap. I take a little nap. I wake up slowly. I wake up slowly. I listen to the rain. I listen to the rain. I relax at home. I relax at home. Hear. Look. Watch. Touch. Notice. Feel. Close. Lock. Draw. Turn. Walk. Fill. Boil. Choose. Make. Pour. Stir. Add. Smell. Sip. Warm. Find. Grab. Shake. Wrap. Sit. Snuggle. Pick. Open. Read. Turn a page. Giggle. Daydream. Close a book. Reach. Pick a movie. Watch a movie. Laugh. Munch. Nibble. Pause. Yawn. Stretch. Lie. Hug. Shut. Nap. Wake. Listen. relax.